This is my dog, Johnny with a bone. Get it, Johnny. He's a fat chihuahua. Very fat, very fat. Check it out. Look, look. Look how fat. I think it's better at this angle. Keep doing it. I'm not sure what kind of bone this is, and all I know is that he enjoys it. Earlier, he found a little piece of meat, and he was trying to get it, and then he got it. Is he cute or what? Johnny. Oh yeah, his name is Johnny. Baby, looky, look at the camera. Johnny, look at the camera. Good boy. Oh, now you turn around. Chan Chan. Johnny. Go to him. Is that cute or what? Adios, friends.